there guys and gals, how are you all doing? Good evening to each every one of you. I'm here in K2 Mall 2. I'm supposed to watch a movie, may isang himala o may himala, whatever. Axel Santos, a musical theme and inspired in Nora Honor's iconic movie Himala. Whatever it is, may isang himala, it's still himala. Miracle. And then my second option is to go in Mega Mall to have a top-up movie night out. And since that time is running and I don't see any more time to capture it, so I better back out. I just want to have more time on having a movie night out pleasure for me, not to get harassed or not to be panicking and being rattled and being running out of time. Okay, so I just decided and rather to stay here and to have my one last upload in Facebook. To all my first viewers to never get tired of my masterpiece, thank you so much each every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. And to our supreme being, thank you Lord for the wonderful blessings that you gave on my channel. Not only on my channel, for myself, for everyday blessings that you gave. Thank you so much Lord, and for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. And to my Mara Bicol Fiabordo and to Helen Careto High. And of course, I just wanna greet my lovely countries. Guys, I just want to congratulate our new fan base. Hold on. But before I'm gonna say it, let me enumerate phrase first, the previous one. Of course, on the number 1 spot, Philippines, followed by still on the number 2 spot, United States, and still on the number 3, South Korea. And Canada on the 4th, 5th, Mexico, 6th. Oh gosh, there's missing 2, 4, 6. There's missing 1, I forgot. Anyway, Philippines, United States, South Korea, Canada, Mexico, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, Japan, Germany, India, Italy, and you know what guys and girls, the one that I'm telling you, Spain. Thank you Spain for joining on our team, for browsing my channel, for giving me a chance to show my craftsmanship, my masterpieces. Thank you Spain fan base for being on my channel. Yes. Happy New Year to every one of you. Happy Trick Kings. What else should you wanna say? What else should I've gotta say? Thank you anyway. Happy birthday to my niece, Dora. Just be happy. That's the key to happiness. Just be happy, okay? Okay, that will be all for now. Thank you so much. Spain, once again, let's congratulate Spain for joining on our channel. Thank you. Bye for now. Have a great day.